अमजद छा अॼु छा आहे सिलसिलो ही किथे वठी आया हो छा
जनरल इलेक्शन
यूके जे न हीअ माना क्यू न जी आहे ही माण्हू शायदि हिनखे गाली पई आहे
टाइमिंग आहे सुबुह जो 9 खां राति जो 10 बजे ताईं
9 खां राति जो 10 बजे ताईं तव्हां माना
पाकिस्तान में हूंदो आहे 5 बजे बंदि थींदो
को
आहे
त हिते न को झेड़ो आहे न को एजेंट वेठो आहे न को पोलिंग बूथ आहे
अहिड़ो को बि हिते
न पुलिस आहे न रेंजर्स आहे
नचण आहे को न गाना आहिनि
न नचण आहे न गाना आहिनि हे माण्हू केॾो क्यू में अदा बीठा आहिनि माण्हू हे वोट करणु आया आहिनि ऐं कंहिंजे विच में आहे लेबर पार्टी त आहे ऐं कंज़र्वेटिव इहो त मूंखे ख़बर आहे ॿियो
यूनाइटेड नेशनल डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी
अच्छा अच्छा ही भला स्कूल आहे छा आहे या को
बेसिकली कम्युनिटी सेंटर
कम्युनिटी सेंटर
डॉल्टन सिंधी में तक चऊं
मां ॾेई सघां थो वोट मां
तव्हांखे रजिस्टर कराइणो पवंदो
अच्छा
हुन खां पोइ तव्हां ॾेई सघो
हा अॻे त रजिस्ट्रेशन खां सवाइ बि असां कॉमनवेल्थ जा कंट्री जा माण्हू ॾेई सघंदा हुआसीं बहरहाल मूंखे त हैरत लॻी त तव्हां हींअर घणो टाइम थियो आहे टाइम घणो थियो आहे माण्हू अचनि पिया ऐं सभु को पंहिंजो वोट ॾेयूं आराम सां खिलंदो वञे पियो न कैंडिडेट आहे न हुनजो वोटर आहे न सपोर्टर आहे न लठा न हथु आहे न बिरयानी प्लेट आहे न एस्टेब्लिशमेंट आहे वाह साईं वाह दिस इज़ इहो ई फ़र्क़ु आहे न दिस इज़ डिफरेंस बिटवीन सुधरियल अणसुधरियल मुल्कनि में असां वटि हींअर हुजे त हींअर ताईं साईं उहे माना 2-3 माण्हू जा मथो ॻाढ़ा हुजनि ऐं पुलिस उन्हनि खे लठियुनि जो फ़र्क़ु हुजे साईं हीअ आहे फ़र्क़ु दिस इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेमोक्रेसी रियल डेमोक्रेसी एंड सोडो डेमोक्रेसी इन पाकिस्तान देयर इज़ नो डेमोक्रेसी one should not claim that this is a democracy these people are look these are people they you casted your vote you casted your vote yeah that's great fine so this is all about this is a difference between a country like Pakistan and UK look this gentleman is coming also there's fun people have no pressure neither agents are there nor supporter nor police rangers is available everybody is duty bound and this space is for disabled persons if you are disabled this is priority parking and this is community hall where this election booth election polling station has been constituted and I'm giving you the real true picture of the election so this is Borrington and District Club new members welcome a great place to enjoy playing so this is Broughton and District Club MPA and Labour Party representative notice are coming and also Tory Party or Conservative also independent candidates are also participating and they have their program they chalk out giving the manifesto what they will do especially this time their agenda is NHS and inflation housing and jobs these are the 4 mottos every party is claiming they are saying that this time we will give you proper protection today's general election in UK and people are coming to cast their vote for their own parties the famous party are Liberal Democrat and Conservative Party People are in queue, and the time is from 8 p.m. rather, 8 p.m. to 10. And this gentleman has casted his vote. Now he's going back. And these people are in line. No fighting, no polling station, no polling booth, no supporter, no supporter, no army, neither rangers nor police. Everybody is disciplined. You won't find any candidate supporter or candidate here. This is the difference between developed countries and underdeveloped countries. In our country, Pakistan, especially in our province Sindh, by this time at least 1 dozen people should have been in hospital. So this is the difference I am telling you. Look, this is 2 people are, and another 2 ladies and gentlemen is coming. They will cast their vote till 10 p.m. This is a polling station. You can see the atmosphere of the polling station. People are well disciplined. They are casting their votes. I'm really surprised. So that's why they are developed. Look, these are the, as I told you before, these are resort parking for disabled persons and other. So there are also number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 places are located specified for disabled persons. My son-in-law came to cast vote. He is now in the polling station. Once he will come, I will ask him what is the atmosphere inside the polling station. Asian, Arabs, Indian, Bengali, Pakistani, every people you can see here, they came to cast their vote. सही वोट हो गया हाँ
बिल्कुल हो गया।
वेरी क्या कैसा माहौल था मैं सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहता हूँ
It was very easy.
हाँ
बिल्कुल क्लीन माहौल था अंदर गए वोट दिया
अच्छा
and we just came back. थोड़ा सा क्यू में वेट करना पड़ा I think 15-20 minutes.
they asked for the identification
बिल्कुल।
हाँ
कोई
वो-
उन्होंने काफ़ी दिए हुए थे
हाँ हाँ
डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ आईडीज।
Oh.
तो कोई एक आईडी नहीं थी
हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो
Okay. So what is again same question I am repeating. What you feel the difference between the system they have? No convincing, no agent is here, no supporter is of any party, nor they are asking for vote here.
There are a few differences. First of all, it was very organized. Yes, it took us some time to vote, but nobody was pushing us or things like that. And again, I think
No tent, no polling agent, no polling staff.
Look at the weather in this country. This country is blessed.
Beautiful
Weather
weather.
and everything.
So,
So, and I think that reflects in the temperament of the people as well.
as well.
basically the government policies are much motivating.
So what was their now program, especially Labour and Conservative, have a same program given for voters, for their awam, for their people?
I think this election is more anti-conservative in a sense because conservatives have been in power for a lot of years now, and the way the things are going,
This is third term they have enjoyed the power. Okay.
The common man is not happy. So let's see how the results come, and then maybe it's good for all of us.
The trend
Well,
is going towards Labour.
Labour,
I think so.
Labour for this time.
They're the bigger parties.
Yeah, and the people are also looking for change. So,
As I heard that they have a program today to control the inflation, to NH betterment of NH program.
they have common voters.
okay.
So some of them are different, like international foreign affairs policy. That's different.
Inflation, they want to control the inflation,
That's
job
common for
opportunity.
both of
I
them.
think that is something common in the whole world now.
Yeah.
That people are struggling. So everybody will try to sell there, but whether they are able to do that or not, it's a separate issue. But
So nice of you. Thank you. Amjad. And what is your good name?
Zain.
Zain Saab. So nice of you. Mehrbani.